In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Word on Android using the safest and most official method possible. If you need Word for school, work, or just editing documents on the go, this is the easiest way to get started. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. This is the official app store, and it's always the best place to download Microsoft Word because it helps keep your device secure and make sure you're getting the real app from Microsoft. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type Microsoft Word. As you search, look carefully for the official app developed by Microsoft Corporation. This part is important because there may be similar looking apps, but you want the genuine Microsoft Word app for the best performance and full features. After you find the correct app, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing Word automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the device, this may only take a few moments. While it installs, you can stay on the page and wait for the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Microsoft Word for the first time. From here, you'll usually be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already have one, just log in. If you don't, you can create a free account and continue. Signing in lets you access your documents, sync files across devices, and use Word more easily. After you're signed in, you can start creating, editing, and viewing documents right from your Android device. You can open files from OneDrive, make quick changes, save your work, and keep everything connected to your Microsoft account. It's a simple setup, but it can make a huge difference if you work with documents regularly. Now, before you install Word, it's a good idea to check a couple of basic device requirements so everything runs smoothly. Microsoft Word works best on Android 10.0 or higher, so if your device is on an older version, some features may not work properly. Also, make sure your phone has at least 1 GB of RAM, although 2 GB or more is recommended if you plan to handle larger documents or use Word without lag. The better your device specs, the smoother the experience will be. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Microsoft Word on Android using the official and secure method through the Google Play Store. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials, app guides, and tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.